So, this one is part of the rectum. Ano siya? Rectum siya. Supposing further going down, you have your anal canal in which di maklaro rin. And expected that you still have your anus. Again, it's not clear here. At least aware lang mo. So, familiar na mo. So, your rectum, so anal canal, tang anus, di maklaro sila. Okay. So, this would now be your uterus. The uterus of the female counterpart. So, on this portion here, we're in asa to nakita ang imong fallopian tube. That would be the fundus. Then, the other one is here, we have the body. So, the fundus of the uterus and the body. So, this is the fallopian tube. So, again, fundus, then body. Okay. So, from the uterus going towards the lateral side, this one, you now have the uterine tube or your fallopian tube. Ano siya. So, daghan mga parts sa fallopian tube, uterine tube. So, mo siya identify. Sige lang, you still have your isthmus, your intramural, etc., your ampulla, there. So, this come up. So, as a whole, you have your uterine tube. Then, at the most lateral end of the fallopian tube, uterine tube, you have this finger-like structure at the level sa infundibulum. So, we call that finger-like structure as your fimbrane. Fimbrane na siya, finger-like structure. Fimbrane siya. Then, kanang ningin, that's your ovary. So, you now have your ovary here. Okay. And this one that holds your uterus, kaning rounded, so you now have the round ligament of the uterus. The round ligament of the uterus. Then this one, broad man kayo siya. Ni siya, whole appeal ni siya. So this would be your broad ligament. The broad ligament. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the lateral view here. Okay. This one, kaning red, that would be your urinary bladder. Urinary bladder na siya. And kani siyang structure na connect towards your urinary bladder, this is your ureter. So from here, your ureter, kaning white there, goes towards your urinary bladder. So this would be your ureter. Okay. Then, kani siya nga muscle there, kani siya at the side, you just have this as your levator ani muscle. Although you have several levator ani, okay, klaro. So, just as considered as levator ani muscle. Kani siya. Yan na? Clear?
Yes.
Any questions? None? Okay. So, we're going to open that. So, mana ni siya yung sa sagittal view there. So a while ago, we mentioned is the uterus. So kanisa siya, this would now be the uterus. So this is now the cavity of the uterus. Cavity. Here, kay uterus man siya. So ining kanan nyo, so this would now be the cavity. And then, at the end of the uterus, there kanisya, we call that part now as the cervix. The cervix. Then further down, kaning position, you now have the vagina. Expect ni siya vagina siya. Kung position, kung sa inyong position, nag-ana na siya. So, mo ni siya, mag-vagina siya. Here. So, you have your vagina. Okay. So, this red, as we mentioned, you have your urinary bladder. So, atong ibutan ko rin. This one would be your urinary bladder. Take note ha, ina po ng ballpen. Sige na lang ang ballpen. Blue na na. Your urinary bladder ka na siya. Then, so this is where your urine is being stored. So below sa urinary bladder, this one, that would now be your urethra. Urethra. Ano siya? Urethra yan siya. Okay. Then, above sa urethra, ano ang position is, this one, gani siyang more gray, tumay siya. This is where your location sa inyo glans clitoris. So your glans clitoris is on here. Okay? So your glans clitoris. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So any portion na kayo na-miss?